Hi there, Golf Rival players. Ready to level up your gameplay? In today's video tutorial, I will share with you an easy way to get unlimited gems using this incredible Golf Rival hack. This hack works on any mobile device. Whether you're on iOS or Android, there's no need for jailbreaks, root access, or even a computer. I tested it myself and it works without any problems. As you can see, the resource was delivered directly to my account. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your game is updated to the latest version. iPhone users head over to the App Store to check for updates. Android users go to the Google Play Store. If the button says Update, go ahead and install the latest version. Once you're all set, we can move on to the next step. Next, open your preferred web browser and visit this page. You will find many hacks for popular games and apps, but we'll focus on Golf Rival for today. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find Golf Rival, then just click on it to open the hack page. On this screen, you will see detailed information about this mod. To start the hack, click the orange button. After that, the website will begin injecting the resources into your account. This process may take a few moments, depending on your internet speed and device performance. Don't worry, it's completely safe and undetectable, so your account remains secure. After confirming your selection, the website will begin injecting the mod. The duration of this process may vary depending on your internet connection speed and device performance. In most cases, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that the modification has been successfully applied to your device and is ready for use. However, there may be one final step required. Depending on your device model and operating system, you may need to verify your account. This step ensures that only real players use the tool. If you are not sure how to complete the process, there's even a video tutorial to walk you through. Just follow the on-screen instructions and complete it as quickly as possible. Okay, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll skip the verification process and come back when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. I had to try a couple of quick tasks, but it was super simple. And now the resources are ready to delivery to my game account. Time to hop back into the game. As you can see, my resources balance is loaded up after a few seconds. Enjoy the unlimited fun. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If this guide helped you, smash like button, subscribe for more tips and tricks, and leave a comment below with your results. I'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, happy gaming, and I'll catch you in the next video.